Okay, boys and girls, Model S lower steering column shaft. So mine had gone all stiff and horrible, as they do, but there was free play actually at the steering wheel. So the bit you're replacing is not that. Oh, yeah, get in there. You actually said to the bishop. So the shiny bit, okay. So you start off by undoing the bolt. At this end you can see the thread there, and it's all the shiny bit you're replacing. So to get that off the end, undoing the bottom bolt is easy, and then you can just push the whole of the joint upwards because it's on the collapsible part of the column. And then what you have to do, because I couldn't knock it off, so you can see the top bolt. So let me get a shadow, I can't get my finger in there. So you can undo that bolt, but it doesn't make any difference because then you can't get the shiny new bit off. Okay, so the easiest thing to do is go inside the car, take out all the pretty bits, all the trim pieces, and drop the actual column down. So there's 4 bolts, one at the top, one kind of hidden there with a green splodge on it, and up the top with that green splodge on it. So undo those, undo them carefully because the column is stupidly heavy and you don't want to go ripping off these little wires all over the place. So undo it, and as it drops down then you can disconnect the wiring, and then the clever bit, undo that bolt so that separate the top of the column from the actual shaft. That, okay, pull the column back out of the way and just sit the steering wheel on the seat, and then what you can do is grab hold of that joint and then pull the whole middle part of the column out. So this big grommet, that just pulls out really easy. I thought that was going to be an arse to get out of the bulkhead, but it isn't. It just slides in a doddle. Then with this bit out and the bit that you're replacing in your hand, you can knock it off easy, and putting it back together is the reverse order. So slide the new bit down through the hole, and then I basically connected up to the rack. No, I didn't. Then I put the column back in place, and then with it all basically sort of loosely bolted in position, then you can pull the new part, connect it up this end first, and then pull it down because of the collapsible bit, because you've shoved up, pull it down and actually connect the new joint onto the end of the rack. So the reason I replaced it, I'd got in, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with 2 hands. Oh, no is the answer. Fuck's sake. Oh, cock. So the joint was knackered. How the fuck am I going to do this? There we go. There we go. Right, so that tiny little bit of play, you see it twisting? That gave me about an inch of free play at the top of the wheel. Now there's no free play, and it goes in a straight line without trying to go in a hedge and upside down and catch fire like it used to on autopilot. Right, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.